judging here that one bird has resorted to an extraordinary subterfuge to see her through. She is a Vasa Parrot, another Madagascar speciality. Inside her nest hole, this odd-looking parrot is raising a clutch of chicks. But she's highly promiscuous, and the chicks may have a number of different fathers. And she uses this fact to her advantage. Choosing a high perch, she belts out her song across the baobab forest. She looks somewhat scruffy. During the breeding season, her normally glossy black head feathers fall out and her head turns orange. But she can certainly draw in the males. None of the males know who is the father of her chicks, but as she's mated with them all, they all bring her food in answer to her call. The feeding sessions are interspersed with gentle little head sways that seem to confirm their relationship. Each male feeds her, each perhaps believing that he's the father of her offspring. Finally, she returns to feed her chicks, having gathered food with very little effort on her own part, an elegant solution to difficult times.